Hello, my name is Alberto Blanco and this is the video of my second quiz. I'm going to talk about the global warming. Some will surely happen and almost certainly end up with humanity, but this takes place in a very long time. Others are likely to happen in the short term. However, there is sure to completely destroy civilization. Others remain extremely unlikely and maybe impossible. Global warming is one of the problems that many consider it a long-term consequence, not knowing it's a problem that we are living and that is a real problem to our civilization. We talk, we call it global warming, but the truth is that this is a a global problem. What is global warming? The term global warming refers to the gradual rise in temperatures of the atmosphere and oceans of the Earth and have been detected at present in addition to its continuing increasing is projected for the future. Nobody questions the increase in the global temperature, which is still controversial source and reason for the increase in temperature. Still, most of the scientific community says that more than 9% certainly that the increase is due to increased concentration of greenhouse gases for human activities including deforestation and burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum and coal. These conclusions are supported by the science academies of the most industrialized countries. A problem that is affecting more everyday humanity gradually interviewing in their lives, affecting arising gradually and the factors involved in the development and balance of the beings around humans, including him as most affected and causing the situation that threatens life on the planet in a radical way without looking back. There are two types of causes of global warming. There are the natural causes and the artificial causes. Natural causes of the global warming. When we speak of natural causes, we are referring to those natural processes that evolve to an increase in global temperatures. Among them is release of methane gas in the Arctic tundra and wetlands. This causes the greenhouse effect, the process by which absorption and emission of infrared radiation by the gas warms the planet. Artificial causes. This is the human influence. Most of scientists agree that the main cause of the acceleration of global warming resides in human activity. Man with deforestation, ex- exploitation of the soil and burning of fossil fuels releases large amount carbon dioxide which greatly increases its concentration in the atmosphere. But fundamentally, the manufacture of chlorofluorocarbons CFCs, synthetic compounds, and that contribute to destruction of the ozone layer and the greenhouse effect has been significant source of climate destructive balance of the planet. For these reasons, global warming includes a series of devastating consequences for our environment, and this is one of the all consequences. Pattern of water change. Here, the average temperatures will increase as the frequency of heat waves, droughts, and wildfires. Warmer temperatures may also increase by the probability of drought, increasing the evaporation during the summer and fall could exacerbate drought conditions and increase the risk wildfires. Another consequence is health effects. Consequence deadly heat waves and the spread of Waves more frequent and intense the heat could cause more death as a result of high temperatures. These conditions may also exacerbate local air quality, which already afflict more than 800 million Americans. It is expected that global warming will also increase the potential geographic range and virulence of tropical diseases. Disorder, disorder in the ecosystem. It is expected that increasing the global temperatures disrupt the ecosystems and cause loss of species as dying species that cannot adapt. I propose some actions to prevent the global warming. Some of them are these: transportation, reduce the individual and collective and promote the collective transport. Uh, Household energy, reduce spending with electrical energy label or turning off applicants completely. Waste, encourage waste separation and recycling. Materials, you can always reuse paper, toys, and anything, and avoid using bags, boxes, and packing. Water, reduce your intake by placing, for example, bottles in cisterns. We can we can all help to stop the global warming. The actions performed individually or can destroy the planet or do a better planet. It depends on our action. The most powerful tool to fight the global warming is the determination. We can stop. We can stop it. Just how it depends of each person. So what you gonna do?